Tired of manually adding each subscriber to Pipedrive? Import your entire email list in minutes with zero errors. So here's the situation. You've got this email list sitting in a spreadsheet. Maybe it's a CSV file, maybe an Excel sheet. It's full of people who already want to hear from you. But right now, it's just sitting there, disconnected from your CRM. You know you need to get those contacts into Pipedrive so you can actually manage leads, segment your outreach, and keep everything organized. But the thought of typing every single name and email address in by hand? No thanks. I'll show you exactly how to upload your spreadsheet, map fields correctly, and verify the import. Let's start. All right, first things first. Open up Pipedrive in your browser directly. You're going to see the main dashboard with your deals and activities. Now, look over to the left sidebar. There's a section at the bottom called More. Go ahead and click that. Then, you're going to see an option that says Import Data. Click it. This is where the magic happens. A new window pops up asking you to upload a file. Click the Upload area, or just drag and drop your spreadsheet right onto it. It can be a CSV file, an XLSX file, even an ODS file. I've tested all of them, they work. This might take a moment to process, depending on how big your list is. Just give it a second. Once it's done, a page opens asking you to select what you'd like to import. You'll see several options here. We want to import people, not deals or organizations, so select people. This is going to turn your subscribers into individual contact records. Now, look over at the Import Guide panel on the right side. It's going to show you the required fields. The big ones are name and email. Take a second to check your spreadsheet. Make sure you have at least a column for names. And if you don't have an email column, you're going to need to add one before we go any further. I like to keep it simple. Name in column A, email in column B. Look at the example spreadsheet on the right side of the page. It shows you exactly how Pipedrive expects the data to look. You want your spreadsheet to match that format. Once you're confident, click the Next button in the bottom right corner. Now we're on the field mapping page. This is the really important part. Pipedrive is going to try to guess which columns go where. Sometimes it gets it right, sometimes it doesn't. So here's what you do. Click on the drop-down menu next to the name column from your spreadsheet and map it to the person name field in Pipedrive. Same thing with the email column. Map it to person email. Take your time, review every single field mapping carefully. If you've got extra columns in your spreadsheet, you can either map them to other Pipedrive fields or just leave them unmapped. Whatever makes sense for your setup. When everything looks good, click Next. You'll see an Import Summary page. This shows you a preview of how many contacts are about to be added. Double-check the numbers. If it says you're importing 100 subscribers and you know you have 100 subscribers, you're golden. If something looks off, go back and check your spreadsheet. Ready? Click Start Import. Pipedrive will start processing. This usually takes just a few seconds for a standard list. Again, if you've got a really big list, it might take a little longer. Just wait for the confirmation message. And here's the fun part. Go to Contacts on the left sidebar, then click People. Take a look. All your subscribers are right there. Names, email addresses, everything. They're no longer stuck in a spreadsheet. They're organized, searchable, and ready for lead management, email outreach, and everything else Pipedrive can do. That's it. You've gone from a disconnected email list to a fully integrated CRM in just a few minutes. No manual typing, no errors. Just a clean import that saves you hours of work. Go ahead and give it a try with your own list. I think you'll be surprised how straightforward it really is.